Refreshing Coffee Almond Fizz recipe. Hey there, coffee lovers. Today, we're brewing up something extra special, a coffee almond fizz. It's a refreshing twist on your favorite morning pick-me-up, perfect for those warm afternoons or when you need a little extra pep in your step. So, let's jump right into it. Ingredients. 1 cup of chilled brewed coffee. 1/4 cup of almond syrup. 1/2 cup of almond milk. Ice cubes. Sparkling water. Optional. Whipped cream and sliced almonds for garnish. Instructions. First, grab a tall glass and fill it with ice cubes. Next, pour in your chilled brewed coffee. Now, it's time to add a splash of sweetness with our almond syrup. Pour in about 1/4 cup, but feel free to adjust to your taste preferences. Now, let's add some creamy goodness with our almond milk. This adds a lovely nutty flavor and smooth texture to our fizz. Looking good so far. Now, for the fizz part, we're going to top it off with some sparkling water. Ah, that's the sound of refreshment. Give it a gentle stir to mix all the flavors together. And there you have it, a delightful coffee almond fizz. But wait, we're not done yet. Let's add a little flair with some optional toppings. A dollop of whipped cream adds a touch of indulgence, and a sprinkle of sliced almonds adds a nice crunch. It's like dessert in a glass. Absolutely delicious. The combination of coffee, almond, and fizz is simply irresistible. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Until next time, cheers! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.